Imagine a distant object entering our solar system from space. What secrets does it stow away? What secrets about the universe might it reveal? Not only would such an event be a significant scientific event, but it would also represent a significant advancement in our quest to comprehend the universe. This is the story of Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to come into our solar system. It was a surprise and awe-inspiring find for scientists and the general public. Our solar system has been visited by an object from interstellar space for the first time. We've been trying to figure out if we're the only ones in the vast universe ever since humans started going into space. Numerous missions and research endeavors have been launched in an effort to comprehend our place in the universe. It has become abundantly clear, as we learn more about the planets in our solar system, that there is no obvious presence beyond this planet. It would appear that the boundaries of our solar system are the only limit of our exploration. We have long looked for the response to the major inquiry of whether life exists somewhere else. Our quest for these responses went on until our most memorable contact with an item named Oumuamua. Scientists and the general public expressed a great deal of interest and debate when the telescope once again captured images of Oumuamua. Michio Kaku, a physicist at MIT, made the statement that Oumuamua is back and something unusual is happening. Go along with us as we uncover the occasions encompassing Oumuamua and investigate what it could mean for Earth's future. The return of Oumuamua and what it might mean for our planet's future are going to be revealed in groundbreaking ways in the coming weeks. With the discovery of the Oumuamua object in 2017, astronomers made an extraordinary and groundbreaking discovery. In addition to the way it altered our perception of celestial bodies, the discovery was revolutionary due to its nature. The fact that it was the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system was a significant factor in the scientific community's shock at this particular find. This discovery had profound repercussions because it demonstrated that objects outside our solar system could pass through our cosmic neighborhood. The first time an object outside our solar system has been studied by scientists thanks to the discovery of Oumuamua opens up new perspectives for astronomical research. This celestial body outside our solar system presents an unprecedented challenge for research, necessitating novel methods and technologies for analyzing an object so dissimilar to anything previously observed. Prior to the discovery of Oumuamua, astronomers had primarily focused on observing and analyzing solar system objects. Our comprehension of the universe has been constrained by this focus. Even so, there are still a lot of unanswered questions in this area, highlighting the limitations of our previous observational capabilities. With the appearance of Oumuamua, a new field of research has emerged that enables scientists to learn more about objects beyond our cosmic neighborhood and improve our comprehension of the universe. It challenges previously unconsidered theories and paves the way for fresh research by providing a fresh perspective. Because it sheds light on the uncharted and raises concerns regarding the nature of interstellar objects, the finding of Oumuamua is without a doubt of unprecedented significance. The distinctive features of Oumuamua have posed challenges to existing astronomical theories and sparked new directions for scientific inquiry. For a variety of reasons, the Oumuamua expedition has had a significant impact, including the chance to investigate the variety and composition of objects in other star systems. As a result of the discovery, we now know more about how celestial bodies form in the universe and what might happen to them and how they behave. It has the potential to shed new light on the conditions that lead to the formation of planetary systems, revealing the secrets of Oumuamua's composition and what it reveals about the universe's formation of celestial bodies. Researchers have attempted to decipher clues that reveal the conditions and processes under which Oumuamua formed during its journey through interstellar space by studying its composition and structure. Analyzing data from a variety of instruments and simulations was part of the effort. Oumuamua has a stretched, stogie-molded structure made out of rock and a perspective proportion that recognizes it from any space rock or comet saw in our planetary group. The processes that led to its current state and the forces it encountered on its journey are questioned by its unique shape. Oumuamua's surprising shape and synthesis have brought up interesting issues about its development and the astronomical powers it experienced. Comets are mostly ice objects that form in the solar system's outermost regions, like the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. Numerous icy bodies can be found in these areas, which are regarded as the solar system's outermost limits. Water ice, frozen gas, dust, and rocks make up their composition. This arrangement gives comets their particular appearance and conduct. Not at all like the remarkable prolonged state of Oumuamua, comets frequently have various qualities in shape and size. The variety of celestial bodies is brought to light by the fascinating distinctions between Oumuamua and regular comets. Due to accretion and erosion, comets typically have a more rounded or irregular shape. The ice in the cores of comets melts as they get closer to the sun and heat up, releasing gas and dust. This makes a haze of gas and residue around the center and at times a tail that broadens away from the sun because of sun-based breeze and radiation pressure. Comets are some of the most striking objects in the night sky because of their prominent tail. Oumuamua lacks the striking visual characteristics of comets, such as their tails, which highlight its unique properties. In contrast to Oumuamua, a comet's nucleus, or solid core, is typically smaller and denser. However, the size of comets can vary greatly. Halley's Comet, which is known to visit the inner solar system every 76 years, is a notable example. This comet has a core that is about 15 kilometers in diameter, which shows how different comet sizes can be. Although most comets are the same shape, some comets have nuclei that are even larger, reaching tens of kilometers or more. Explore the intriguing size and shape distinctions between Oumuamua and other well-known comets, such as Halley's Comet. The red color of Oumuamua stands out from other common comets because it suggests a different composition or a different time period. This color is similar to that of objects in the outer regions of our solar system. The red tone proposes a one-of-a-kind synthesis or explicit surface trademark. In contrast to typical comets, this distinctive color may indicate a different chemical or mineralogical composition. Despite being in a close orbit around the Sun, Oumuamua did not appear to be in a coma, indicating that it was not just any comet at all. In contrast to typical comets, Oumuamua's reddish color and absence of a coma suggest a distinct composition and history. The fact that Oumuamua is distinct from other known comets is largely due to the absence of a coma. The fact that Oumuamua does not fit the typical comet model is one of its most intriguing features. It defies our expectations of such objects with its behavior and characteristics. Oumuamua, which came into our solar system from the constellation Lyra, is not clear where it came from exactly. The discovery is further enthralled by this mystery. It reveals insight into the secret of Oumuamua's beginnings and the interesting inquiries it raises about interstellar articles. Oumuamua could have traveled through space for billions of years before coming into our solar system. This tremendous excursion recommends an intricate history and connections with various inestimable conditions. As per a review distributed in the diary Nature Cosmology, Oumuamua is probable piece of a bigger planet in another planetary group. The possibility that Oumuamua is the relic of a destroyed celestial system is supported by this hypothesis. It is fascinating to learn about the violent processes that lead to the formation of celestial bodies from the hypothesis that Oumuamua is a fragment of a shattered celestial body. The serious gravitational power applied by its host star destroyed it, making a dissipating of pieces. The dramatic events that are capable of forming celestial bodies are brought to light by the involved forces. When it was ejected from its home system, it started a journey through interstellar space that would eventually lead it to our solar system. The fact that Oumuamua suddenly accelerated as it traveled through our solar system is one of its fascinating aspects. Investigate the unexpected acceleration of Oumuamua and the resulting scientific investigation. Scientists became more interested in the object's properties and behavior as a result of this acceleration. As was mentioned earlier in the video, the object was accelerated, resulting in a slight deviation from its predicted orbit. This deviation from the normal circle brings up issues about the powers at work. The reason for this acceleration is still a mystery, and research into it is ongoing. Some have guessed that the speed increase might be expected to outgassing, where gas is let out of the outer layer of an particle, pushing it forward. Be that as it may, no undeniable indications of outgassing have been identified. The enigmatic capability of Oumuamua to accelerate without clearly emitting any emissions has sparked fascinating scientific speculation and ongoing investigation. Some people have come up with alternative explanations for this baffling behavior, such as the idea that Oumuamua is an artificial object like a probe or alien technology. The scientific community and the general public have shown a great deal of interest and debate regarding the possibility that Oumuamua is a probe sent by an extraterrestrial civilization. Although the theory is still speculative, it emphasizes the significance of remaining open-minded when investigating unknown phenomena. Our imaginations are piqued by the fascinating idea that we may have encountered evidence of extraterrestrial technology. Consider the tempting chance that Oumuamua could be a fake article, bringing up significant issues about extraterrestrial life and innovation. Although the possibility of an extraterrestrial probe at Oumuamua is certainly intriguing, it is only one of many. The majority of scientists favor more established explanations, such as whether it was a naturally occurring fragment of a larger object or something unusual.